Okay, so today start with the Git Repo.
Yeah, sure.
Git, github.com, and on here, okay, I create in the last just I open on here spinnet spinnet. Okay, I create this on here. Wait, in the last session in 2 3 weeks before, I create this repo spinnet
Mm-hmm.
spinnet app, and I
Mm-hmm.
I on here I create the branch. I create the repo on here through home and on here new. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
new. I
Yeah.
create spinnative. Again, I have created on here.
Yeah. Just you can create again. It's not a
Yeah.
big deal.
So this is a owner. Okay, this is a
Mm-hmm.
GitHub owner Chandrasekhar com.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is a owner.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose you have multiple owner, then you can create multiple owner on here.
Mm-hmm.
Means you are suppose that you have created the GitHub with the multiple organization. Okay, this is a
Mm-hmm.
one organization owner. It's Chandrasekhar com, Chandrasekhar Misra, Chandrasekhar something. Okay, so multiple will come on here. So we have only one account organization. So this is the only one made on here. Now give the repository name spnet 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 core 101. Okay, this core. Okay, this also spnet core. Uh, spnet core. For spnet,
Yeah, it's okay. Any name you can give. Mm.
yeah, spnet 8. This is already okay.
It's already taken.
Okay, this is not okay. And description, if you want to give any description, then you can give. This is a this is a okay configuration. If you want to choose visibility, public or private, then if you want
Yeah.
to public, then you can
Mm-hmm.
it depends between public and private. Suppose that key, if you have public, then anyone can see this repository. But you have public, private, then you can see only. And uh, and
I
for
can invite also other.
yeah, if you give the if you want to see the another person, then you can add that user. Suppose that I have created a private repository. Okay, and we want to give the access. Then I add your name in my user setting. Then you can see
Mhm.
this repository.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's for private. Mm-hmm.
yeah, these things we can do. So like first start private. Okay, after public you can do, but private I do the setting. Then you can see
Mm-hmm.
also. After that, start with template. Template. If you want to use this template, then you can use and add readme, add ignore file with the .NET, and add license. You have no license now. MIT license you can select MIT license .NET
What
template.
is the license setup?
Actually, this MIT license, which type of license you are using, like Apache license, okay,
Oh,
boot software license, and
so for that license, we need to pay for this, or this
no,
is free?
this is a free. This is no.
Okay, free license. Okay.
License explain how other can use your code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this means about license. License repository, public repository, it will get often used to share open source software. For your repository open source, you will need to license so that other are free to use, change and distribute. Means other person can use according. Okay, MIT license, then other person can use for this MIT .NET. Okay, I create the
Mm-hmm.
project for the .NET, then other person which will access this repository and use this for that it license.
Okay.
Okay, now create repository. Okay, so on here you can see readme. This is a user management MIT license. Okay, this thing is coming on here. MIT license permission is granted free of charges to
Mm-hmm.
any person obtaining a copy of software associated with document file to deal with the software without restriction. Okay, this thing is for use for the software is provided without warranty or any kinds of restriction. Means
Okay. Second
for this license you can another person can use this report.
is this code. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay, so on here, add file. If you want to create new file, then suppose that we have 1 2 3 file. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now we want to create one new file like file name. Give the file name is index index.html. Okay, and this is a this is a index file. Okay, if you want to preview, then preview. Okay, now commit changes. Okay, add initial content index.html commit. Create a new branch for the commit or start pulling request. Commit directly to the main branch.
Main
You got-
branch. Okay.
okay. So it is saying create new branch means I create the one page. Okay, it is saying if you, this is you are creating the one page on here index.html. So I create the one branch is a main branch, and if you want to create a new branch like main branch and I develop some code, then we I create the new branch, and after that new branch we can merge in the main branch so after that we can merge in the main branch. Okay, or if you want to add this page in the main branch, create new branch for this commit and start it. Suppose that I create the new branch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so new branch it is given a patch one, this branch name. Okay, this is
Mm-hmm.
patch one. So I create the new branch. Okay, so after that we will merge new
Merge
branch
with the main branch. Mm-hmm.
main branch. Yeah. Okay, this is a initial content and this is a pull request.
So a pull request always do the developer, right?
Correct. This all things is for the developer purpose.
A
This
developer
is
part.
this is not
So
for the
always
QA. This is not
project
for the
manager.
no. This is not for the QA, not for the
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
uh, mm, DevOps. Only for
Mm-hmm.
the
It's a
developer.
developer. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is only for the developer.
Mm-hmm. So the when a developer will create the pull request, then the manager will be notified.
Yes,
Then
yes, yes,
he can
correct.
accept the pull request, right?
Yes. On here we have set do the setting.
Okay.
When you change in this project, when you come in the project, push all things, any happening in this repo, then notification sent to the manager.
Manager.
So just I also show you how to send the
Mm-hmm.
just like I saw on the my mail
Mm-hmm.
Google. on here. Okay, these things you can see. Actually, I do something in my pipeline. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so message come to me. You have changed these things. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I add my mail ID on there. My mail ID add on there. Any change on here? This is pipeline or like this. So okay, I change something on here. I change update setup CI with Azure pipeline and third party auth applied. Okay, this any
Mm-hmm.
change in the my GitHub, any create something create, then mail I receive the mail because I add that my mail ID on there.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, so now I create the pull request. Then what is the paste pull request? Okay, able to merge. This is a main branch. Okay, this main branch. This is a default. This is a I
Mm-hmm.
create the this patch branch. So
Mm-hmm.
why you are saying this pull request? Pull request means can you understand what is the pull request? You know? No. Okay. Pull request means we have two branch on here. We have one is a main branch, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Which I create in the first. Now we have another branch. This is a patch branch. Patch one. Chansekar com hyphen patch hyphen one. Okay. This is a
Mm-hmm.
this is a new branch. So we want to merge patch one to main, but this branch open is a patch branch. Okay, on here this
But
is a
the
patch.
merge will do by the developer, or merge should be done by the manager, right? Project manager. No.
No, no,
No, who will merge the branch? The developer or project manager?
this is merged automatically through CI/CD.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
these things happening with the CI/CD. But
Mm-hmm.
it merged with the developer, not for the project manager.
Okay, okay.
No, and other things, if you are this is saying professionally, this is only for the team technical person, not for the
Mm-hmm.
DevOps, not for the QA. Okay,
QA, okay.
this
Mm-hmm.
is not for the manager. If manager is a technical person, then he can do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if DevOps is a technical person, he can do. If QA is a technical person, he can do. But it is only for the
Mm-hmm.
developer and tech lead. For that, he can do this thing. If he want, if he can do manually. Okay, if he doing manually, then he can do create the pull request, then merge all the code. But through the CI/CD, it will happen automatically.
Mm-hmm.
Now create pull request, so then I get latest from the main branch. No conflict with the base branch. Okay, this message is saying because we have main branch and I create one eight initial container. Okay, this branch or main branch. This message is saying Chandrasekhar want to merge one commit in the main from this branch. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah,
From
so
main.
this message will go to project manager, right?
Yeah, this message will go to the project manager. Correct.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
This
that's what I'm saying.
this is a message go to the project manager.
And
Or
he has to acknowledge it or commit or agree on it, right?
no, though these things only mail is going on there. Agree
Oh,
or
okay.
not? Okay. This is through the
Just notification only.
only notification. कि,
Okay.
this thing is merged in this branch.
Merging, okay. Hmm.
Okay. So main to merge. Okay. If you want to give any description,
Hmm.
uh, then you can no description provided. Okay. And no conflict changes merge can be performed automatically. Okay. Then it message showing on here. Create
Hmm.
merge commit swears merge pull request means merge pull request from man to from we want to merge man to Chandrasekhar page one on here. So merge
Yeah.
pull request. Okay,
Hmm.
and then I click. Okay, this message commit message. merge pull request Chandrasekhar patch one.
Mhm.
Okay. Page name I am adding add initial content to the index as HTML. Okay. This is you can if you want to commit was created on the github.com signed with verified signature.
But what is the benefit of doing this one? Because developer is doing everything himself.
Yes, the developer do actually for these things I am saying for the developer and tech lead and DevOps and uh, manager all I include all things.
Okay.
Okay, and with the manually and automation. These
Hmm.
things I doing with the manually. After that we do automation
Okay.
through CI/CD.
Okay.
Okay, so and when you create the project, pull, push, commit, all things, then and we want to actually I tell you this thing because you know the all things how to
Yeah.
happen. Okay,
Hmm.
so for that purpose, when you do the manually all things, and if you any in case you are stuck in all things knowledge,
Hmm.
then confirm merge.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, so on here message come pull request successfully merge and close.
Merge closed.
Okay, if we all set Chandrasekhar, branch can be safely deleted. Okay, this branch patch one is successfully merged in the main branch and
Hmm.
this branch has been deleted.
Okay.
Okay,
It's delete itself, automatically deleted.
correct, automatically deleted.
Okay.
So now I check in the branch, go to the main branch. Where my main branch? Click on here one. Okay, now you can see add initial content in data HTML 8 minutes before edit on here. This page I edit, correct?
Hmm.
This page I edit. Now back we have two branch. Okay,
Main
you,
and
your branch here, but branch is not deleted. You're saying deleted. Branch is not deleted because on here you can see the default branch, main branch, your
hmm
branch, this branch, and active branch, this branch. So I just active branch. Location. Name, to branch. Okay, branch is not deleted. Message is saying is wrong. Your branch, this branch. Okay, I created this branch, but it's not
Yep.
deleted.
Hmm.
Okay, so you can now on here you can see the when I create the new branch.
Yeah.
Same things we can do through the code.
Can you change the anything something uh with that page again and
Yeah, yeah, correct.
create pull request to the
Yeah,
same branch
yeah,
Chandrasekhar patch one.
yeah, we can do. Just
Yeah.
I open.
Go to index.html.
Yeah, page one. Okay, this is page one, and on here new changes. Okay, commit changes. Okay, commit directly to the on
Yeah,
this.
see already there. Yeah. So
Yes.
so that means it will stay
Yeah.
and okay. Now commit the changes. Then uh, you need
Then
to
some.
you have to merge again.
Yes.
We have to do
Then
the pull request.
pull
Pull
request.
request.
Yes. So
Yeah.
now
Then
on
create
here,
pull request, then it will merge to main branch. Okay.
yeah, new pull request.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have main branch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is a compare with main.
Mm-hmm.
Compare change, commit change. Okay. So compare main to this branch. Now you can one file changes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One file changes. Which file changes? Update index file with new changes. This is message. Okay. I change the update index file with new
Mm-hmm.
changes. This message going. Now create pull request.
Mm-hmm.
Create pull request. So this message is going now main
So
to.
click on two times on create pull request, right?
Yes, on here first, then on here. Because on here,
Again, okay.
if you give the message any
Mm-hmm.
message, this is a this is new changes
Mm-hmm.
on here. Then create pull request with the draft. If you want to not pull, then only
Mm-hmm.
you can. If you want to
Just
give
create.
draft, okay, not create the pull request. No conflict with the base branch. Now
Merge.
merge pull request. Confirm merge.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Now, same way we can also create a page on Visual Studio or Visual Studio
yeah,
Code,
yeah, same
and
thing.
we can push the code in this repo, right?
Correct. Just I open VS Code. Just I show this.
Yeah.
This is coming or not. Then I open the VS Code.
Hmm. Yeah.
Now update index file with the new changes. Just open the file. Okay, this come new changes.
Hmm.
Correct. Now open VS Code. Okay. So on here now. Actually on here, this is a project. This is a main project. Okay, so we have two things on here. Go to the code. Okay, then we want to clone this file,
Hmm.
this project. We want to clone this project. Then
Hmm.
how can we do? We have three things: through the HTTPS, through the URL, through SSH. Okay, this is also through this we
Hmm.
can provide the key. Through this we can, okay, or if you want to give download, you can download the code, and through the CI/CD. Okay, you can
So,
do the things on here. Okay, through CI/CD, through SSH, through HTTPS, you can download the project,
mhm,
or you can directly you can download the project. Same thing.
mhm.
This can,
Or you can also open direct to the Visual Studio.
yeah, also VS Code. On here we are
Yeah.
doing the VS Code.
Okay.
So I go to the folder. I
Hmm.
go to the folder on here, and on here right click. For that, if you need to install the through the command, you need to install the Git. Like
Git bit CLI.
yeah, Git. Okay, Git base you need to install. Right click on here, run.
Hmm.
Okay, you need to install these things. Git.
Hmm.
So for that, Git, you have installed on your system Git or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have this.
Yeah, then okay, then good. So I right click. Okay, now or if you want to do from on here, then like on here, right click administrator, and okay, we need to set the path. Okay, see how to set the path, then cd, and like we want to set this path.
Yeah.
I want download this code on this location.
Hmm.
So first cd and copy paste. Cd too many arguments. Cd, okay. Just I right click on here. Okay, also you can open on here Git. No, okay. So Git base here. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now you can see OneDrive desktop. Okay, Azure session. We
Hmm.
want to download project on here. So for that command we have git clone. Okay, and what the path on here? We have path like this is a path. This is URL. This URL we want
HTTPS. Okay.
clone using web URL. Just like you can think
Hmm.
clone. We want to clone this repo in
Hmm.
my local system
Yeah.
in code. So through this URL you can clone. So then copy and paste. Okay, git clone. Okay, git
Then
clone
URL. Okay.
and URL name. Then enter. Okay, now it download the code in my local system. Okay, now you can see
Yeah.
this code is coming in here. Okay, so now
Now we can open this code with the VS Code.
correct. Now go on here, open folder, select folder. Now open. Okay, then it's come on here.
Yeah, you can make some changes here.
Yeah, just yeah. I do recording, so you can if you confusion, then
Yeah.
again I
Hmm.
repeat
Okay. Hmm.
things.
Yeah.
So you can select this branch, then you can see this is a main branch.
Under main.
This is main branch, and if you want to create the new branch on here, you can create the new branch. This is new branch, correct? Can you tell me that your background is technical only?
IT. IT. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Then good.
Mhm.
Means you are doing coding, correct?
Not coding. Uh, Network related.
Okay, okay,
I
okay,
do.
then okay.
Yeah.
So actually, I
Yeah.
give
But
the code.
I understand. Hmm.
But I okay. So for the DevOps, no need to the coding. Okay, and for
Yeah.
the DevOps engineer,
Yeah.
only for
Yeah.
the setting. Actually,
Yeah.
this I write the code on here. I think this
Yeah.
thing no need to because you need got the code with the release only.
No,
Release.
we need to write some PowerShell code. So
Correct, correct,
when we
correct,
have to
correct.
create the ARM template, so that we
Correct.
need to
Yeah,
understand.
correct.
So
After
yeah.
CITD, after CICD,
Yeah.
I will tell
Hmm.
you all things.
Hmm.
But we want to cover all things
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
due to that
I will
reason.
go through slowly. Yeah.
So if you want to create the new branch from here, then also you can
Mm-hmm.
create. If you want to create new branch from here, also you
Mm-hmm.
can create. So I create the new branch from here. Like
Mm-hmm.
I create a new branch.
Mm-hmm.
New branch like like branch name is 2016. Okay, 0220 underscore Chansekar. Branch name for the identification. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, page new page. After 1 year, after 6 months, if you any can see this branch, then understand which branch in which date and which person which person it create. So through
Mm-hmm.
this branch name, he can identify. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you can see on here branch name. Okay, this branch name. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
You can see 2026 in that bottom side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Chandrasekhar new name. Okay, after 6 months, then back, then see the branch name. To when it create the branch, then date, then which person, then this is Chandrasekhar. What is the change on your new pages? Okay. Oh, through this you can see. Now on here publish branch. This icon come in the publish icon, or
Mm-hmm.
also you can see the publish branch. Without publish branch, a code will not go in the server. Means
Mm-hmm.
GitHub. We want to
Yeah.
give the publish. So okay, you can on here all things in graph. Uh, Initial commit. Okay, first is initial commit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, initial commit. I have changed eight initial commit to the index.html through the Chandrasekhar. After merge, request one Chandrasekhar, patch one branch, correct? Update index file with the new changes. Okay, merge pull request with the patch one. This
Mm-hmm.
happening in the last 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
So it's automatic happen this one, or
no, no,
but we.
no, I do on the portal. I do all
Oh, okay,
things.
okay, oh, okay, okay. So okay, you're showing there. Okay,
Okay,
okay, got
in
it,
the
got
portal,
it.
I create the branch first.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I add the index.html on here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Then yeah, got it.
Okay,
So
okay.
it also pull all this information there. Okay,
Correct. All history,
in the graph.
it has all history. How to doing. This is a color is. This color is.
Yeah.
This is a
Mm-hmm.
means changes. This changes on
Mm-hmm.
here. And this is a
Mm-hmm.
main branch. Blue color is a main branch.
Yeah.
And this is a gray, orange color. This is a changes on here.
Mm-hmm.
What changes? A new commit. Then red icon. This
Mm-hmm.
go to the main branch and it
Mm-hmm.
continue again to the main branch. This syntax you can, if you read this syntax, then also you
Mm-hmm.
can understand. First I create the page, then merge,
Mm-hmm.
then create new changes, then merge. Same things on here. Write all things on here. Now, if you
Mm-hmm.
understand. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, when I publish this code, then also one line again. One, two, three, four, five line. Then again one line is added on here.
Mm-hmm.
It is maintain the history.
Yeah.
So, if you want to publish, then all things on here also through the uh, on here we can do. So now publish this command, publish branch. Okay, now it is public. Merge pull question second page one. Okay, now on here, new repo, new pages, and okay, so this is publish, and now on here see the repo. I, I see the repo. Where is my repo? Like on here. This is a main branch. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I create the new pages. This is a branch. We have one branch is on here. Second branch
Mm-hmm.
is okay. Okay. So I select on here. This is a I create the branch from the code. This is a main branch. Okay.
But
So
this is the best practice, like first we need to create a new branch, then we have to merge the branch with main branch, or we can directly publish to the main branch. Which one is the best
Actually,
practice?
yeah. So suppose that I have one branch, main branch, correct?
Mm-hmm.
After that 10 days, we have give the some requirement. If you do some, I create one page, then we page, and we want to do something. Suppose that okay, in any case, I have do something wrong in my code,
Mm-hmm.
but main branch is working on the production.
Yeah.
Okay, but I commit the wrong code in the main branch. I do something in the okay. So in the production branch, error is happening. So how to handle that things?
So we can roll back that merge, right?
Because if you can roll back the merge, this is another things. Before that, if you want to, what is your change on here? If you can see the history, okay.
Yeah.
Or
Mm-hmm.
if you all thing is perfect, suppose that your 10 developer is working on there on the one
Mm-hmm.
application,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and multiple person is commit changes, so multiple history on there. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, it will do uh, uh, such that typical task, because multi 10 person, if you in one day 10 person commit the code, at least if you two times or three times, it's 30 times, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So history is maintained multiple times. So for the best practice, you have created the new branch. In the new branch, you in the separate branch you do the changes. After complete the changes, then you can do the new branch to the
Ma-
main branch. This is
okay. So that
this
means you're saying each developer they should create a new branch,
correct.
right?
Each
Then
developer
when
correct.
mhm,
Each developer should have the create the new branch.
new branch, separate,
After
separate. Okay. Hmm.
correct. After done the task, then he can merge the main
Okay.
branch.
Yeah, he can get a pull request to merge the main. Okay.
Yeah. Now he complete the task, then give the PR. Yeah, this is means it's the other thing, like we have developer, you are team lead. Then
Hmm.
I have give the PR for that, and the
Hmm.
PR if approve the PR, then merge that code in your main branch.
Hmm.
This flow is going when he multiple 10% in the company and one team lead, then I give the PR to you, and
Hmm.
you approve that PR, and after that you can merge it in the main branch. And
So
before that, first I create the PR, and you review the code. If any issue in the code level, then you will say that is not correct code, you can change this code. After review, then he will approve. Now he can merge.
okay. So now, so let's say we publishing everything to the uh, Git repos. Okay.
Okay.
So now, if we create a repo in the DevOps instead of creating in the GitHub, so now Microsoft is recommending because now the GitHub and DevOps both are Microsoft product.
Yeah, correct,
I was reading
correct.
somewhere now Microsoft is recommending to use GitHub repos instead of Azure DevOps
No,
repos.
yeah,
So
Microsoft has two things. One is
mhm,
a Azure DevOps, second is a Git Repo. But
GitHubs.
Microsoft nowadays Microsoft is recommended. Just open the Microsoft on here.
Yeah, I was
Microsoft.
reading somewhere. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
they're
Just
recommending.
this
Mhm,
those question.
mhm.
Microsoft. Uh,
But it doesn't make any difference. So we can
no,
create
actually,
anywhere.
no,
Yeah.
this is not different. But Microsoft is recommended nowadays is use
Mhm.
Git Repo,
Get
not
get
Azure
repos.
DevOps,
As in
not
DevOps repos.
not DevOps, because
Mhm.
Microsoft move on here. You can see not options. Microsoft also recommended Git Repo, not Azure DevOps.
as a DevOps repos.
Yeah.
But we can create CI/CD pipeline through um, DevOps, right?
Yes, both through the GitHub, through the
Hmm.
Azure Repo, we can create the
Hmm.
CI/CD. All things we can do, no problem. Both things
But
we can do.
GitHub Actions. So if you compare the GitHub Actions and DevOps CI/CD pipeline, so which one Microsoft recommending?
Microsoft recommended both places, but nowadays is Git is more
GitHub GitHub Action.
yeah, Git application is more in the market, is moved to the
Mhm.
Git. All person is moved in the Git.
Okay.
Mm.
It's easy because it directly just you can.
Yes,
Okay.
this is a easy. Both Azure DevOps and Git both are easy. Okay,
Hmm.
so but
Hmm.
Microsoft is going to the Git because
Okay.
maybe some charge things, all things, multi things on there.
Yeah,
Just
GitHub license. Yeah.
just uh, I just compare on here. One second. Mm. Why Microsoft is going to Azure DevOps GitHub? Tip to GitHub is primary development platform is okay. AI native future.
Mhm.
GitHub AI native future security. GitHub advanced security. Okay, and development preference talent ecosystem. Okay, this is a GitHub future. Uh, Azure DevOps enterprise planning. Okay, on here community and security. GitHub project tracking. GitHub project lighter and improve Azure DevOps based in class and agile in Scrum.
Mhm.
This is the difference on here because Azure board on there
Yeah, that would, yeah. Yeah,
and
we can also link the GitHub development activities, progress, everything to the Azure board.
yes, yeah, that things we can manage. And also other tool we have Azure board depending we have other things Jira on there, multiple
Yeah.
tools on there. Okay, instead of DevOps,
Hmm.
but also you can manage on here and but in the market all Microsoft is now is recommending GitHub. So
Okay.
okay, so on here I commit the code. Okay,
E-commit,
so
okay. You
okay,
just
so
make some changes and commit the code.
yeah, this branches come on here. Okay,
Okay. So this is the new branch you created and from Visual Studio,
yeah,
VS Code.
From VS Code I create the new branch. This is a new branch.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now
Hmm.
I add on here new code. Okay, I create the new page on here, new file. Okay, content dot html. This is my okay. Save it. Okay, so we have show the commit. This is commit on here, and through this command we can do, or also actually through the command is more typical. So through this on here, right click on give, or if you want to commit on directly on here, like mm, okay, if you want to direct commit and push one time, you can do, and if you
Hmm.
want to commit like on here, uh, add contents page. Okay.
Mhm.
It message when there is a no state change commit. Would you want to state change directly? Yes. Synchronize. Message come one more message on here come add content page edit. Okay, this message come in this branch. In this branch. Now you can see on here also message come on here. This branch has recently pushed 1 second ago.
Mhm.
Okay, compare and pull request.
Mhm.
Then when I click this compare, okay, compare 8 contains page and okay, these things on here. And what is my code? Just what is the change? Okay, just I create pull request. Uh, just I open. Just open the code. Okay. Now I review the code. I want to review the code. Okay. So
Mhm.
this is my code. I review. This is my content plus page. You can reach out this page. Okay, this is correct. Okay. And now this is my code. Now I review. Now I just subscribe. Okay, I give the comment approve. Approve comment. Approve now. mm,
You have to get pull request to be.
Yeah, I want to go back from here.
Yeah, you already commit the code. Now you
Yes,
need to create the pull request.
merge pull request to this
Yeah,
I
Mars. Okay.
new changes main branch. Okay,
Merged.
on here update index file with a new branch. This is another branch. So one commits on here. Okay, update index file with new changes now. Pull request. Okay, new pages and open close and compare and pull request.
Yeah, we did one time.
Re-
After that, I think you need to create a pull request on the below. You have to
yeah, yeah,
click there.
yeah. These things. But before that, we have multiple things here. Suppose the reviewer. Okay, we have
Mhm.
you have suppose that you have project manager. Okay, and one person it will take the review the code. After the review the code, then you can merge the code in the main branch. So reviewer type or choose your user like on here. Then second on here not reviewer is coming. Probably maybe no one. Assign yourself label like that. Okay, we want to review reviewer, then show the list on here.
Yep.
Okay, now project name, not it. Okay, milestone not showing, and assign to my this is Chandrasekhar. and one changes, and I give the message approve commit contributor. Okay. Now paste row. Before that, I do some setting, like go to the on here setting and on here. Some rule, we have some rules. Uh, Also, wiki has document your repository, enable release immediately, and this is branches action model pilot environment. We want to collaborator. Okay, suppose that we want your mail ID, then you can see in this report. Like your what is your mail ID?
sohelranabd@gmail.com. SHOSHELSEL, not AL. RANABD, boy and dog @gmail.com. Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Okay. Now you can receive this request and on there approve. Now
Hmm.
also you can see this repo
Hmm.
and you commit this code. Now we can see you commit the code. Okay. Later you can do.
Okay.
Okay. These things and changes in branch now post then we can check on here.
Okay.
And advanced security. Okay, I will check the how to review we want to add the
Yeah.
review. So,
Okay.
so how to add
Yeah. Sure.
compare now create pull request. No conflict the
And
base branch.
yeah, Mars.
No check file changes commits. Okay, for the commit this commits checks. Okay, file changes. One file changes. If you want to compare, compare. Suppose multiple file, then also in the one here. Now back conversion. Now one commit from the branches will added to the base branch. Add commit for the branch will added to the base branch merge commit. Reverse and merge. One commit from the branch with reverse and add to the base branch.
Hmm.
One commit on squares and merge. One commit from this branch will merge to the base branch. One commit to the merge, but on here create and merge commit. All commit from the branch will add it to the base branch and merge all commit. But on here one commit only, on here only one commit. So we want to only one commit. One commit from the branch will be revised and added. will be added to the revise and added to the, like I do these things. You can merge this with the command line also extension through this. Okay, git pull origin. Suppose that we are doing from here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
on here. If we want to throw the CMD on here,
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
here, we can do the things.
Mm-hmm.
Like I write on here
But
git.
it will directly pull to the main branch, not
Yeah,
the
this is
new
yeah.
branch. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a clone the update for this command. If you want to first clone the
Oh,
repository,
okay.
update to local branch with the latest changes,
Okay.
correct? After
Mm-hmm.
that, switch the base branch to the pull request, checkout main. Merge the head branch to the base branch. Okay, these things. Now pull the changes,
Oh, okay.
main,
Understood.
main
Yes. Yeah.
branch. This is step
Okay.
on here.
Okay. Okay.
Now throw the SHS, this command on here for the SHS,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and throw the page also this command.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to do these things on like pull origin, origin main. Okay.
So you have to get U minus U.
Uh, yes,
The
correct.
command get.
No, no, no. Maybe some. mm,
Now you have to. You are in the right directory.
yeah, just as a check. Maybe this is wrong, right? Okay, this is wrong. So then we can add CD and name is uh, okay. This directory. Just copy and paste. Okay, now it is directly. Now, okay, git 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 origin main. Okay, origin does not appear to the git repository. Could not read this remote repository. Please make sure the access right and access right. Oh, main repository, main repository. Yes, I complete this. Reverse and merge. Confirm reverse and okay. Now commits. Now open the main branch. Contents. Okay, this page come on here. Main branch. The code is merged. Now git pull. Git pull. Okay, this command may be not working. So if not working, do okay. So commit code on here, and this page is merged in the main branch. Okay, if if any issue on here, if any issue on here, if command is not working, something. So same things, same
Now we
things we
can do
can
it from VS Code. We
yeah
can do
BS code
directly.
only. Like pull if you want to get the latest in the branch, then push if you want to pull the code in the
GitHub.
GitHub. And if you want to clone repository, then throw this clone,
Mhm.
like clone, click. Okay. Give the branch name, then you can clone. Okay. Branch name. So which repository you want to clone. Then select and clone. You can do. Now, if you want to clone, check out page
Mhm.
suppose, and some difference on here. I just tell you what the difference between multiple things. Okay, so maybe in the last session or before that I tell you, but again we have multiple things, like one is a workspace, one is a staging, one is a local repository, and one is a remote repository.
Mhm.
So this is a my workspace. This is a my workspace. Okay,
Mhm.
and when I something change on here, like space edit. Okay, so I change it on here, changes, and git add. Okay, I change it on here, and I add the uh, add stage. Like I create the one page, mm, create one test.html, and we want to give the this page to the stages. Okay, so one is a workspace. So one is a workspace. We have this is a workspace. This all page is workspace, but I change something on here. So this is a stages. It test.html. This is a stage. So
Mhm.
then after add one page, and through this command git add. Okay, git add, we can do the same things, go to the stage, or if you are add, then on here this is a icon, this is icon on here.
Okay.
If you unstage, then click minus. If you are stage, then if you want to go to the stage, then plus icon. If you want to undo, then discard changes. Okay,
So
this
instead
is
of getting staging in Azure DevOps,
yeah.
um, so
uh,
we can also do the stages in GitHub, right? Because
yeah,
Visual
on here GitHub, these all things in the GitHub.
GitHub, okay.
Hmm.
So that's why developer they likes GitHub. So everything they can do it from their side, no need to go to DevOps.
The all things in that GitHub and DevOps, all things on there. Actually, DevOps also report. Command is working same on both place.
That's them. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In the
Yeah,
DevOps,
we can.
yeah. So in DevOps or GitHub, both, but only repo is change. On there we
Yeah,
have
yeah.
repo is
Similar.
on DevOps,
Yeah,
on repo is on the GitHub, but command is same in both place.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so maybe I can we can stop today.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah,
continue next week again. Next Tuesday, okay, not Monday.
yeah, yeah.
Tuesday,
Sure.
Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay, sure.
Yeah.
So